I enjoy the internet. You can play video games, watch movies, and even watch videos in real time, such as live sports and streamers. Of course, it has its downsides, such as cyberbullying and hackers, but anything that has its benefits will have its costs. Today, I will explain one of those costs by using the example of a toaster. A toaster, you may ask? Yes, toaster. Bear with me, please. Imagine for a moment you have a birthday and people are bearing gifts. All right. Some bring clothes, some bring money, some give food. On this occasion, for your birthday, you have one guest bring you a toaster. But not just any toaster, but a smart toaster. You think, wow, what an amazing, awesome gift. And you proceed to use it. It's great for a while, and the most unfortunate thing happens. The toaster has a software issue, and you can no longer use the toaster because of a software issue. Not mechanical, but a software issue. At the moment of editing this video, I've not come across a situation similar to what I had created with the toaster, but there are examples of this happening with many products across several industries, such as the print industry with HP, as well as the car industry with Ford that makes vehicles. Whereas HP, they make printers as well as other stuff. Now, the question is, why are companies doing this? It is simple. They need to make more money. If you are a publicly owned company that needs to focus on quarterly profits, you are going to have to figure out a way to make profits, not just for yourself and employees, but also shareholders and derivatives traders. When you invest in a stock, what do you wish to do? You wish for the stock price to go up. And if you are in a dividend paying stock, you want your stocks to grow even more and more and more and more and more. Okay. Now let's look at Microsoft. Their best selling products and services are cloud-based Azure and Microsoft Office for the home. Okay. They are a $1 trillion+ company that is raking in money hand over fist. All right. Microsoft is not even the only one that's doing this. You have Amazon with their cloud-based technology, HP with their printers, and many EVs such as Ford Mustang. But I said this before. Now herein lies the problem. These services and subscriptions hampers your ability to make a living for yourself, and more importantly, makes you more poor. A couple years ago, all right, and this was during the pandemic, BMW tried to force consumers to subscribe to heated seats every month. The heated seats already exist mechanically in the vehicle, but BMW wanted to charge you for it. Now let me ask you, let's say you're a BMW driver, right? Do you really want to come in and do something like that? Like, you want to purchase a vehicle, and then once you purchase said vehicle, you have to pay month to month to month to use a feature that is already installed in your car. No, you don't. Most people don't want to do this. But BMW try to do it. Why? Because they want to make more money. And two, people switch their cars a lot of times, right? Personally, for me, I like to purchase one car and just drive it to the ground. But according to studies, most Americans switch their cars every 3 or 4 years. So to many companies, they say, well, look, if you're already all right with switching your car every 3 and 4 years, then you have no problem getting a subscription because you're already adjusted with paying on a lease. You're already adjusted to paying a car note. You're already conditioned to pay for a bill month to month, year to year. Okay? Now, for this to work, the conditioning has to be set in place, which it has for many people. And it's going to continue to do so because it's going to be the best way for a company to make more money. Moving forward, as of right now, this is the year 2024. Most companies are trying to go through the subscription model because it's easier to keep you on a hamster wheel, just like a job, and make more money from you being on the hamster wheel than selling you just one item and just being done with you. I'll give you an example. Real estate, okay? Now, I'm not a real estate expert, but many developers, they only build solely so that they could rent it out. They have no intention of building and just selling once. They want to build commercial real estate and make sure whichever business holds that commercial real estate, they themselves will have to come in, all right, and pay that, commercial developer money every single month. Why? Because selling once is tiresome. Just having a stable, constant flow of money, and I put that in quotations, is good. Why do you think a lot of people are doing real estate? Because of what? Quote unquote, stable income. You get the same income or more because you control the property, you control the rents, etc. And it's just coming in just like that. Now, you who have to pay the expenses, you're not feeling too well for yourself. Something that used to cost, let's say, $100, they put it at a, way lower amount for a subscription. They say, okay, this doesn't cost $100 no more. This costs $5 a month or $9 a month. But after some time period, your subscription overcomes the original payment. Okay. That's how Microsoft Office became big, because Microsoft Office, they used to just force you to just purchase the whole license and the whole program. Now, especially for businesses, they have a subscription model where you could just buy one Microsoft Office license for your whole business month to month instead of buying one, Microsoft program and putting it on each individual computer. So from the business end, it's good because they make the most money on the business side. And from there, they can just scale up. Now, the problem is companies aren't just doing this to businesses, as I stated before. They're doing this to you, the individual. You're trying to, get a printer from HP. You get the wrong ink toner, they're going to cut you down. They're going to say, hey, you know what? You can no longer print anymore because you got the wrong ink toner or the ink cartridge. So guess what? You can't use HP anymore. Or better yet, if you get a different third-party ink toner or ink cartridge, the HP printer isn't even going to work. Now, shameless plug, I heard Brothers, laser printers are pretty great. So hopefully they're not going to succumb to HP, but even they might eventually do it because it's just so much good money out there. If you want to have success, okay, Picture this. You want toast. You just get a toaster. Never in my life did I ever say, hey, you know what? I want my toaster to be smart and connect to the internet. You don't need that. I have a pencil. It just needs to write. I don't need a smart pencil. I don't need a smart pen. I just needed to write. I might need a smart pen for my phone if I really want to, use it as much. But no, I don't need that. Smart things belong on electronics, and electronics only. Doesn't necessarily have to be on everything that's mechanical. That's all I gotta say. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day.